Okay, so good day everyone. For today, we're going to look into the marketing leadership and change management. Marketing leadership and change management are integral components of navigating the dynamic landscape of the business world. In the ever-evolving realm of marketing, leaders play a pivotal role in steering organizations toward success by crafting innovative strategies, fostering creativity, and adapting to emerging trends. The contemporary business environments, shifting consumer behaviors, and global economic uncertainties necessitating a proactive approach to change marketing leadership are not only responsible for orchestrating effective marketing campaigns, but also for driving organizational change that aligns with market demands. Effective management or effective marketing leadership requires a deep understanding of consumer needs, market dynamics, and a keen insight into emerging technologies. Leaders in the field must possess a strategic mindset to position their organizations competitively and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Moreover, as the digital landscape continues to reshape the marketing terrain, leaders must harness the power of data analytics, artificial intelligence, and other technologies to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Change management is an inseparable fact of successful marketing leadership. Adapting to change involves not only embracing technological advancement, but also understanding and navigating the complexity of organizations' dynamics. Leaders must instill a culture of agility, resilience, and adaptability within their teams to respond effectively to market shifts. Successful change management is marketing requires effective communication, collaboration, and a clear vision that aligns the entire organization towards a common goal. In this era of rapid transformation, marketing leaders must possess not only a deep understanding of marketing principles, but also a comprehensive grasp of change management strategies. The convergence of these two disciplines is essential for organizations to thrive amidst uncertainty, capitalize on opportunities, and remain relevant in an ever-changing business landscape. This exploration of marketing leadership and change management will delve into the symbiotic relationship between these two critical aspects and highlight the skills and strategies necessary for navigating the complexities of the contemporary business environment. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter this morning. Go ahead.
Good morning, Sir Doc Abanta and my classmates. Today is the 10th Saturday, the last reporter and the last topic for this course, Advanced Marketing Management. Now, I'll discuss the marketing leadership and change management. The objectives is leading marketing teams and fostering creativity. Under this is I'll be discussing the characteristic of the marketing leader and its goals. What is marketing team and how to be a leading marketing team? Discuss fostering creativity and innovation in leading a marketing teams. In change management in marketing initiative, I will discuss what is change management and what are the marketing initiatives and how change management have been part of marketing initiative. And the third one is managing organizational culture for marketing success. I'll discuss the definition of organizational culture and how to manage an organizational culture to achieve the marketing success. And lastly, the ethical leadership and responsible marketing. Excuse me. What is an ethical leadership and responsible marketing? And discuss the two elements stated in marketing. Let's start with what is marketing leader. Marketing leader is the one who helps plans out the new marketing strategy. This is a crucial part of the marketing plan, aligns the goals and establish the key metrics that measure the success rate. The marketing leader's goals should align with the brand's overarching goals for removing barriers to growth or stability. Now, I'll enumerate the characteristics to be a marketing leader. First is the customer focus. Customer focus, every business must be attuned to its customer success, struggles, needs, and wants. The best marketing leaders are spearhead, especially on critical conversation with the customer. They are constantly researching everyday problems to target marketplaces. And they know to prioritize a customer, which every decision should make logical and financial sense for the company and also for the benefit of the customers. Great leader knows how to communicate with other departments, including sales, customer service, logistics, and other relevant areas. They do marketing plans with other departments, and to be a great leader, ensure everyone in the company is synergized. Next is analytical data-driven. An organization needs a leader who makes sound data-driven decisions, especially in ROI or return of investment. Marketing professionals evaluate proposals, programs, or campaigns. Numbers should always check. Top leader usually asking of will this marketing initiative be worth the investment to create and implement it. To ensure the strategy how effective that can ROI will double or triple in future. The best marketing leader understands how to navigate through the noise, focus on what matters, and make reliable decisions that benefits their customer and organization. They also know the most relevant metrics to analyze when assessing the result of a marketing campaign. Next is emphatic. Emphatic, showing an ability to understand and share the feelings of another. The best leader understand how to influence others. They invest time in discovering others' needs and passion first. A great leader's empathy reflects in the quality of their work because they know the needs and wants of others, and also they provide useful solutions and services. Every business must be sorry. This next is visionary. Sorry. As a top marketing leader, not only understand how to form a strong vision, but they also know how to gain the buy-in from stakeholder within the organization. The best marketing professional define a clear end goal, rally other around the cause, and execute to perfection. Leaders develop the vision and marketing strategy. They make it unique. No other competitor will have the secret sauce because the plan is specific to the company's mission, core values, product, services, and culture. The message inspired employees to be their best self, produce the best quality work, and serve customers. Confident. The marketing leader has a unique ability to instill confidence and calmness in high-stress situations. They serve as an anchor for the organization through uncertain times. This confidence is infectious and spread throughout the company. Whether the marketing leaders has the answer or not, they will do whatever it takes to deploy the necessary resources and build meaningful solutions. Next, adaptability. Leaders understand that everything always doesn't go according to plan. Valuable professionals are flexible with their creativity, time, and accessibility. Marketing is constantly shifting, and the best marketing leader ensure their organization is flexible with these changes. They always have a game plan to respond quickly and effectively to this shift. And lastly is collaborative approach. Marketing executive recognize they do not have all the answers. They consult their team members to recognize others know things they do not. So I have marketing leaders top goals for 2023. In 22%, they consider is the increasing revenue and sales, which all company objectives and goal aim. And under the 19% is the improving sales and marketing alignment, um, followed by fostering relationship with your customer and increasing brand loyalty, and advertising your product or services, and lastly, improve customer understanding of your product or services. And total of 98%, which is malamang na ano na to, nakita na ng mga marketing leaders yung kanilang total na na-meet ba nila yung kanilang goal. Then, I have also the top challenging part of the leader or marketing leader to face 2023 is in 14% is generating revenue, followed by securing the budget they need, 14% also. Improving sales marketing alignment in 13%, and having to pivot marketing strategy due to major event is 13%. Facing increased competition from other brands is down to 12%, and hiring or retaining top talents, it's also at 12%. And lastly, keeping up with new social platform and feature is 11%, total of 89%. Hoping this challenge is umokay sa 2023 do sa marketing leaders. Now, let's proceed to marketing teams. What is a marketing teams? Develops and implements strategy to promote brand awareness and drive sales of an organization, products, or services. Often, marketing teams include several individuals with various skills and responsibility who works together to achieve mutual marketing goals. They may create and implement digital marketing, brand management, public relation, and customer outreach strategy through research, data analysis, and industry knowledge. If you're building a marketing team, it may be helpful to understand the various positions within a team and how they function to achieve your marketing goals. These are the essential role of successful marketing teams. Who are the members of a leading marketing teams? Marketing manager. What is the role of marketing manager? Marketing manager are the leader of marketing teams and responsible for ensuring each team member deliver their tasks timely and accurately. They often delegate responsibilities to team members, monitor their progress, and offer support when needed. They may also develop large-scale projects such as campaign and assign appropriate tasks to individuals on the team. Lead team meetings, monitor marketing budget, communicate progress to management and executive teams, and take part in the hiring process within the department. And also, they help ensure your marketing team stay focused, organized, and within budget while working toward your marketing goals. Next is the SEO specialist. Stands for Search Engine Optimization. Strategies are an important part of the marketing team. This individual have an advanced understanding of search engine process and can help your organization remain relevant and visible on the internet. They are the one who maximize the amount of inbound traffic to your website through keywords integration and SEO analytics. They may work closely with the other members of the team who focus on digital marketing, such as visual designers, content marketers, and web developers. Next is data analysis. Data analysis contribute to the team by researching marketing performance and communicating their findings. They may gather and analyze results and develop insight into the success of your marketing team's current methods. They apply this information to develop effective strategies. Next is PR manager, stands for public relation managers. They develop and implement brand management strategy to improve the public perception of an organization. These individuals are an asset to our marketing teams and can help establish consistency and positive brand image across your marketing effort. They may develop brand awareness techniques, represent brands at industry events, build and maintain an organization customers or client relation or develop customer outreach and social media campaigns. Next, brand strategies. They function similar to PR manager by maintaining a brand image, but they focus more on the aesthetic aspect of marketing to establish consistent branding across the team's effort. Consider one of the important decisions that could influence the consistency of your brand's image. They determine logos, color schemes, font, use on website or promotional materials, and the general style of contents used across platforms. Next, visual designer. You may include a visual designer on your marketing teams to complete a variety of tasks, from designing visual ads to editing promotional videos, can ensure that your visual marketing materials remain consistent across all platforms and align with your brand's values and objectives. They may work closely with advertising and sales team to create, edit, and publish visual materials such as images and videos for promotional use, product packaging, or social media content. Next, marketer or content manager. Content manager are an important part of the digital and print marketing effort. Duties to write, edit, and publish text and web copy for promotional use. These individuals may work closely with SEO specialists to create content that aligns with your brand's objectives and incorporate keywords and SEO strategies that can help to increase traffic to your websites. They may also write newsletters, social media caption, and product descriptions. Next, web developer. Web developer, one who manage the specialization in navigating and attracting target audience. They are responsible on the quality of effectiveness of its website. To have a direct impact on the success of marketing effort, it is It is important in marketing team to build and maintain the web pages in a coordination with the rest of the team to create an internet presence that best support your objectives. And last, the PPC specialist stands for pay per click specialist. Oversee all organizations' paid digital advertising effort. The advanced understanding of finance and business operation along with extensive knowledge of paid advertising process, considering marketing team to bid for advertising placement, negotiate with advertisement placement agencies, review and adjust spending, review and copy performance and report ads performance to management teams. Sad to say, because of the strong impact of the social media technology, this strategy makes the marketing strategy maximize the greatness of the product and easily introduced with the customers, sometimes turn to fake news, scam, or whatsoever that been abused by the marketing department. Example of this is Lazada and Shop. And now we go on to the common marketing team's responsibilities. Common marketing team's responsibilities, considering to be on the top or leading marketing teams. I'll just recap briefly some of those marketing responsibility in strategies, which includes in the previous report that mentions having this common responsibility by the marketing team can perform well, and having collaboration with each other makes things possible to be in top or leading team in marketing. As a marketing leader, shall focus on the goal, align everything by monitoring, and take responsibilities the mislead part for the whole team. We have the 12 common marketing team responsibilities. The first is the research market trends and marketing. Research marketing trends needs to identify the term uso or new trends na in market, allowing business to make informed decision about their strategies and offerings. Keeping a finger on the pulse of the market, your business can position itself for the long-term success. While marketing tools refer to the tools, techniques, or strategy used to help develop, improve, and promote business products and services. Example of marketing trends using TikTok and YouTube used by the different bloggers. So marketing tools naman is usually use Canva, Google Ads, and social media. Next. Develop brand image and develop strategy to maintain its consistency. As you can see in your screen, the brand consistency have the positive impact in the market. Increase customer trust, enhances customer loyalty, improves the perception of your brand, makes your brand more dependable, and lastly is the facilitate steady brand evolution. Example of this is Coca-Cola started in 1886, which until now, the consistency of the brand still evolving. Next, the conduct and study customer satisfaction survey to influence marketing decision. Here we can consider the poor customer satisfaction survey open eye to the marketing team to be more sensitive on the things had been disregarded or unsatisfied experience by the customer can lead to negative effect. Team must solve on the probably solution and time frame that couldn't reflect too much on market. Next is attend weekly meetings to discuss goals and deliverables. Mostly focus on a daily, weekly, and monthly tracks of posts. And that goes kung na-meet nila talaga or what is the another step for another improvement for the discussion meeting or deliverables. Next is communicate with sales teams to coordinate efforts. So here is the coordination with other departments to make sure everything is aligned to the company's goals and objectives. Next is manage social media pages and related campaigns. As you can see in the screen, in marketing campaign, it includes budget, research, content, statistics, designs, and social media. Pero mostly, social media is one of the top effective campaign strategy to use nowadays. But we must consider before posting in a social media, must be well checked by the team before review by the executives. As the team, one member chance to have mistake hold the team liable and the possibilities effect on that mistake. It is important have a coordination, cooperation, well-balanced, and same goal in each team for having a leading or successful team. Next is monitor the success of competitors. Marketing is not no longer just about the analysis and synthesis of information. Nowadays, it's all about reacting faster than your competitor and making the right decision at the same time. As a professional in this sphere, you have to keep an eye on trend and competitors' activity analyze them, and prioritize tasks for your team. Marketing department have responsibility to keep an eye on the latest trends, new products, services offered by the competitors. The responsibility of monitoring your social media doesn't fall solely on your shoulder as a marketer. Your larger team should work together to make sure your brand is always represented in the right way. Next is develop and maintain brand website. As you can see in the screen, in brand, we can consider the design, the value, the strategy, logo, marketing, advertising, and identity, and last is the trust. Your website is your single most important brand development tool. It is place where all your audience turn to learn what you do, how you do it, and who your clients are. Prospective clients are not likely to choose your firm solely based on your website, but they may well rule you out if your site sends the wrong message. Your website will be home to your valuable content. That content will become the focus of your search engine optimization efforts so that your prospects, potential employees, and referral sources will find you and learn about your firm. Online content is central to any modern brand development strategy. Next is negotiate with ad placement agency. The marketing department is responsible for seeing the work of outside vendor and agencies. These are the companies that help with elements of marketing that are not part of your core operations. The department sees all activities and campaigns that promotes a company's product and services. The marketing campaign vary widely in scope, scale, and complexity. It is important that manager understand how to develop and manage this initiative. They should also ensure that the vendor has properly insured as well as an established quality control program. Next, identify and research target audience. As a marketer, understand your target audience is vital. Information will define every marketing plan and strategy that can execute. Target audience read a certain publication or watches a certain show means that your ad will be seen by fewer people but the right people. Selecting the right media is essential for achieving on your effort or marketing ROI, which understand your market allows you to build relationship and better communication with consumers. You can develop creative that speaks to specific persona and develop brands that coincides with the interest and value of those mostly to purchase the product. Next is to create image and message for circulation that conveys brand values and drives sales. A company brand identity is a combination of visual and content choice that represent your company's personality. It's the face of your brand that composed of visual brand element you've chosen, like colors includes the brand's voice and tone. Creating a brand identify you as a brand value and vision. Creating a strong brand identity will help you develop a brand image that's recognizable to your target audience, even if they only see one small element of it. Next, and the last one na to. Design ongoing temporary customer outreach campaign. Usually, strategy in outreach is making or creating a new relationship with prospect educate leads on all your offers and build trust with your agent. And lastly, initiate contacts with potential leads. It develops an awareness raising strategies, work in partnership and coalition with other CSO and stakeholders, create key messages for your target audience, and lastly, most of our team leaders do this to have mass campaign and publicity. Now, let's move to how to foster creativity and innovation in marketing teams. Now, we have to define your vision and goals. You need to have clear vision and goals for integrating or integrated marketing strategy. These are some of your questions to consider. What are you trying to achieve? Who are you trying to achieve? Who do you want to position your brand? Second is to create safe and diverse environment. A safe and diverse environment will foster trust, collaboration, and learning within your teams. Next, encourage curiosity and exploration. Stimulate their curiosity and exploration to help them develop the creative and innovation muscle and discover new possibilities. I reward risk-taking and failure. Is the creativity and innovation involve risk-taking and failure as you try to new things that may or may not work? Instead, punishing or avoiding this outcome, encourage them to create culture of learning from failure, where you analyze what went wrong, what went right, and what can be improved. And lastly, implement and iterate. You need to have a process and a system to test, validate, and refine your ideas and turn them into integrated marketing campaigns that deliver results. By implementing and iterating your ideas, you will create a culture of action and improve within your team. Now, let's go to the next. What is change management? As you can see, change management have different definition or explanation or interpretation. It has positive and negative side. As a leader, it's very difficult to implement this word, especially handling different kinds of people. Now, let's know what is change management. Change management is the process of planning, organizing, and executing a structural approach to transition individuals, teams, and organization from a current state to a desired future state. It involves identifying, analyzing, and managing the impact of any changes that may occur to people, processes, and systems in an organization. Change management seeks to minimize resistance to change and promotion. I promote the adoption of new behaviors, processes, and technologies by the stakeholders. The process includes defining clear goals, creating a plan, communicating with stakeholders, and continuous monitoring progress. What is marketing initiatives? Marketing initiatives are typical new ideas campaign or solution to solve either a new or previous existing problem. They are referred to an initiative because they involve taking the first step to tackle an issue. Marketing initiatives are also new strategies to solve your problem and hit new goals. And normally generate during marketing strategy meeting by the team, executive, or marketing strategy consultant. Let's face it, 2020 has brought significant level of uncertainty about the future of almost every industry. Terms like new normal, social distancing have become common nomenclature both in our daily lives and in the advertisement of brands. Now more than ever, it's apparent that marketing cannot be looked at as just an expense anymore. This is because increasing new business and keeping existing customer engaged are now pivotal. As many industries have adapted their operation to this new normal, their marketing strategy may do the same. The marketing initiative for brand needs user-generated content. This includes the content, image, posts, contents review, etc. created by the consumer themselves rather than the brand. This is no way a new trend in marketing. Next is conversational marketing. Conversational marketing is all about engaging with users rather than talking at them. Personalizing your content to specific audience rather than blanketing it across multiple sectors will go on long way. This will allow you to get more user engaged with your brand. Next is the video marketing. Video marketing, the current digital landscape provide plenty of opportunity for brands to capitalize on longer video content to build trust with audience, such as filming video, interviews of key opinion leaders of organization, behind the scenes videos, or any other piece of video content that intends to deliver variable information to build a connection and trust with your audience. Next is the mobile marketing. As a result of COVID-19 pandemic, individuals are spending more and more time glued to the screen of their phone. Through mobile marketing strategy made easier to relocate our target audience. And lastly is the Google My Business. As many business owners and decision makers turn to their local market first, this could make or break a potential sale or give you a competitive advantage over other in the market. How do change management has been part of marketing initiative? As a concept, business framework for people, processes, and the organization, change management increase the success of critical projects and improves a company's ability to adapt quickly. Business change is constant and inevitable, and when poorly managed, it has the potential to cause organizational stress as well as unnecessary and costly rework. By standardizing the consistency and efficiency of assigned work, change management assures that the people side of the organization is not overlooked. As a change to work occur, change management help employees understand their new roles and build a more process-driven culture. Change management also encourages future company growth by enabling it to remain dynamic in the marketplace. Now, let's go to the third intent goal in marketing organizational culture for marketing success. Let's know what is organizational culture. Organizational culture defines the environment for everything that happens within a company. It's the spoken and unspoken behavior and mindset that define how your business functions on a day-to-day basis. It is also codifies what it's like for employees to work there. Organizational culture includes the mission and objective along with values, leadership, and employees' expectations, structures, performance management, and overall engagement level rather. By building a strong culture, businesses can provide consistency and direction, guide decision and actions, fuel the workforce, and help reach their potentials. Let's go to the next. Managing organization culture for marketing success. Step 1. Excel in recognition. Recognizing the contribution of all team members has a far-reaching positive effect on organization culture. Companies who invest in the consistent social recognition see a remarkable business impact. Increased stock prices, twice more likely to improve net promoter scores, and twice more likely to improve individual performance. To nurture organization culture recognized should be clearly tied to company's values and specific action and supported by leadership. And but not the least, leadership need to take center stage in your recognition effort as the culture trendsetter for the entire company. Next is enable employees' voices. This and create a culture that values feedbacks and encourage employee voice is essential. Make your leader culture advocates. Here, building a strong workplace culture is in the hand of team leaders and managers. Your leadership teams can help build the right culture by prioritizing it in every aspect of their work lives. Next is the life by your company values. The company values are the foundation of its culture. While crafting a mission statement is a great start, living by the company value means weaving them into every aspect of your business. This includes support terms, HR policies, benefits program, and even out of office initiatives like volunteering. And employees, partner, and customer will recognize and appreciate that your organization puts its value into practice every day. Forge connection between team members. Building a workplace culture that can handle adversity requires establishing strong connection between team members. But with the increasingly remotely enters communication, creating those bonds can be challenging. Next is the focus on learning and development. Great workplace culture are formed by the employees who continually learning and companies that invest in staff development. Training initiative, coaching, and providing employees with new responsibility are all great ways show your teams that you're invested in their success. Step 7. Keep culture in mind from day one. Organizations should hire for culture and reinforce it during the onboarding process and beyond. Practices and procedure must be taught, values should be shared. And lastly, personalize the employee experience. As a modern consumer, your employees expect a personalized experience, so you need to focus on the way to help each team member identify your culture. Once you start treating your employees with the same care you treat your customers, a culture that motivates everyone at your organization is to follow. Next, and lastly, the intent goal is ethical leader and responsible marketing. Now, start with what is ethical leadership? Ethical leadership is about demonstrating strong moral principles that will point out wrongdoings and showing what's right at the core of being an ethical leader. Ethical leaders set the example for the rest of the company and expect that their action and words are respected and followed with the same conviction from their staff. What is the importance of ethical leadership? First, the company transparency and its effect on customers. Major challenges within marketing and topics at the hand includes a desire for increased company sales without deceiving customer regarding the promise of products and services. Ethical leadership has intra-organizational effect. Ethical leadership can influence employees, organizational behaviors which heighten employees' commitment to company's values. Next, the importance is the internal company leadership. The leader play a critical role in letting the tone for ethical climate in organization. A major challenge today is the institutionalization of ethical guidelines in a workplace. Ethical leadership can be positively influence employees' own organization citizen behavior. When a workplace implement a strong ethical climate, it results in a better business. And lastly, the importance of ethical leadership is solution. Regardless of the challenges that organizations face, the implementation of an ethical workplace in a marketing must start at the top. Leaders set standards for those benefit them and cultivate a company environment that the rest of the organization will settle into. Next, what is responsible marketing? Responsible marketing is an advertising strategy where the brand considers the environmental impact of promoting its product or services. This approach involves addressing social, ethical, and environmental issues using sustainable marketing materials and the promotion of eco-friendly initiative. Do the right always, refreshing our approach to responsible marketing. We have the principle being a responsible marketer. We have the be truthful and clear in all communication, be transparent about our product and marketing intention, champion safety and safe use, protection consumer data and privacy, take extra care around marketing to children and teens, represent and portray diversity and inclusion, drive responsibility through partnership, drive for meaningful, sustainable impact. Being responsible marketing, we have, or marketer, we have to consider the data stewardship. Data stewardship focus on making organization data accessible, consistent, usable, and secure. Where data governance is concerned with defining policies and processes. Data stewardship is the implementation of these rules to ensure compliance and improve data quality for business user to make better decisions. The second responsible marketers is ethical marketing. Ethical marketing is a philosophy and strategy that seek to promote honesty, trustworthiness, fairness, values, and responsibility in all marketing projects and actions. Under this is ethical marketing puts people above profits. Marketers are responsible for the outcomes of the campaign and advertisement they use. Marketers should embrace the essential ethical principle, adopt of marketing ethics principle by the top management is a crucial to create ethical marketing campaigns. And lastly, businesses needs to have a good understanding and implementation of ethical decision making when it comes to marketing. And last, responsible of a marketer must be sustainable marketing. Sustainable marketing is a promotion of environmentally and socially responsible products, practices, and brand values. It is one aspect of how you choose to position your brand, but used right, it can vary. Under the sustainable marketing, we have the aspect. First, your plan is long-term. To check the longevity of your plan is, does your company have means to consistently maintain this sustainability program? Does your sustainability program tackle a long-term issue that will be benefit to connected to in 10 to 20 years time? If need be, are you prepared to take a short-term loss to fully adopt your new practices and build toward long-term gain? Next is the second aspect of marketing. Sustainable marketing is consistency. And the third is strategy is fully integrated across your business. With a Smart Insight being champion of integrated marketing, this may not come as a surprise to you, but your sustainable marketing strategy is only as strong as a marketing plan behind it. Under this is the research how competitors are employing sustainable marketing. Audit your customer journey to make sure your sustainable message come through in a sensible and appropriate way at each stage in the marketing funnel. Cross-reference key message in other campaigns, and always on activity to ensure consistency. Brief staff and stakeholder, particularly marketing, sales, and product on your sustainability message and where to find the key information. And lastly, continue to check and scan the environmental landscape and be prepared to make changes. The new responsible marketing principle and responsible marketing policy will apply to everyone, whether this is our marketer, other employees, or anyone else we have may engage externally in carrying out marketing communications or activities on our behalf. Thank you for your listening. I hope you have a great day ahead.
Okay. So again, as our presenter mentioned, no, the intersection of marketing leadership and change management is the dynamic realm where visionary leaders orchestrate strategies to navigate the complexities of the modern business landscape. No, effective marketing leadership goes beyond traditional campaign management. It involves understanding market trends, consumer behaviors, and leveraging technology to stay ahead. Considering, of course, some ethical considerations. Now, leadership in marketing must possess a strategic mindset, no, and be adept at utilizing data analytics and emerging technologies to make informed decisions and positions, no, their organizations competitively. Change management is an inseparable component of effective marketing research and leadership, particularly in a rapidly evolving environment. Leaders must foster a culture of adaptability, resilience, and continuous improvement within their team, because successful change management and marketing necessitates transparent communication, collaboration, and shared visions that aligns the organization toward common objective. And the integration, no, of these two disciplines is crucial for organizations seeking to thrive amidst uncertainty, capitalize on opportunities, and remain agile in response to market shift. As we explore the symbolic relationship between marketing leadership and change management, it becomes evident that these two aspects are interconnected in creating organizational success. The ability to adapt a change or to change, coupled with strategic marketing leadership, position business to not only survive but thrive in an ever-changing landscape. And this discussion encapsulates the essence of how marketing leaders drive change and how effective change management strategies contribute to the overall success and sustainability of organizations in the dynamic field of marketing. So I think that's it for this topic. Thank you so much, President.